welcome to your Friday weather forecast. On Friday, we have a cold front approaching the southwestern Cape, but it will quickly weaken and move south of the country. Ahead of this cold front, we are expecting foggy patches over the southwestern Cape, with foggy conditions over the central part of the country, the Highveld and in KwaZulu-Natal, and another freezing morning over these areas. But a mostly dry and sunny Friday in store, only morning and light rain possible around the northern coast of KwaZulu-Natal and the adjacent interior. Partly cloudy skies expected over the extreme eastern parts of the country, where we'll see a poor PV harvest this Friday, but an average PV harvest over the rest of the country. Light winds this Friday with northeasterly winds blowing along the coast of the Eastern Cape, northeasterly winds picking up and blowing fresh to strong over our neighbouring country Namibia, causing what we call Overberg, which is basically the same as berg winds, but just for Namibia, quickly heating up the northern coast. In the Western Cape, foggy conditions at first around the southwestern coast and the Overberg, later remaining cool over the coastal areas, only 19 in the afternoon in Cape Town, a cold morning over the interior, just 5 in Worcester and Robertson, later a comfortable and sunny afternoon with temperatures in the mid-20s. Comfortable along the southern coast with 24 the afternoon in George and Gqeberha, but a cold morning in parts of the Karoo, later warming up to a maximum of 24 in Graaff-Reinet. Freezing cold the morning around the escarpment in the Eastern Cape, only 1 in Komani and Matatiele, later comfortable along the coast with 23 in East London and Port St John's, and northeasterly winds blowing at times. Lots of fog the morning in KwaZulu-Natal with frost possible around Kokstad and Ladysmith, light morning rain possible around the northern coast and the adjacent interior, later temperatures in the lower to mid-20s with 25 the afternoon in Pietermaritzburg. Lots of fog expected this Friday morning over the Highveld with frost around Secunda and Standerton. Later temperatures around 20 over the Highveld, but comfortable in the Lowveld with 26 in the Skukuza, 25 the afternoon in Hoedspruit, partly cloudy skies around the escarpment. A cold morning at first in the Bushveld, later warming up to 23 in Thabazimbi. Foggy conditions at first over the southern parts of northwest with frost in places, only 1 the morning in Potchefstroom. Later temperatures in the lower 20s with 21 in Ventersdorp, 23 in Klerksdorp. In the Northern Cape, we are expecting a comfortable afternoon over the western parts, 25 in Calvinia as well as Springbok. A freezing cold morning over the southern areas, -3 the morning in Sutherland, and foggy conditions in parts of the Karoo. A foggy start today in parts of the Free State with frost in places, -2 the morning in Bethlehem and Vicksburg, later remaining cool with only 20 in Forest Smith and Bloemfontein. Foggy conditions expected over the eastern parts of Gauteng with frost in places, only 1 the morning in Vereniging, later sunny skies and a comfortable 22 the afternoon in Pretoria. On Saturday, foggy conditions yet again over the western and southern parts of the country, remaining cool over the southern areas, only 17 in George, but comfortable to cool over the central and northeastern areas, 24 the afternoon in Mbombela. On Sunday, we are expecting a band of high-level cloud to move over the western parts of the country, remaining cool over the southern areas, only 19 in George, but comfortable in KwaZulu-Natal, warming up to a maximum of 25 the afternoon in Pietermaritzburg, with light rain possible around Richards Bay. Well, that's all from me. Enjoy your Friday, and remember, no matter the weather, we're in this together.
Introducing the Volta 700X portable power station, your ultimate companion for power on the go. And compact utility for camping, home or office. Stay connected.